Bigger generators are not always better. It's important to get the right size generator for your application. If the generator is too small, it will not be able to carry the load that you need. If it's too large, the unit will be inefficient and will eventually wet stack if it's a diesel unit, and when you need it, it won't be able to work properly. Generators do not require minimal maintenance. They require regular maintenance, at least one oil change a year, and filter change is the best practice. We prefer to also follow it up with a dry service or an inspection, at least one more time a year, if not quarterly.
A lot of our older generators can be seen as very noisy, but with the newer technology and the sound attenuated units, a lot of these you can stand right next to and carry on a normal conversation. One of the common misconceptions is generators are not always eco-friendly. With the advances in the natural gas side, as well as some of the hydrogen-powered generators, they're leaning more and more towards the green energy side as everything else is. Generators can run for extended periods of time, but they cannot run indefinitely without being taken down for normal service.
Every generator package is designed differently for the customer's needs, whether that's a diesel generator, a natural gas generator, a portable generator, or a stationary generator. There's a wide variety of generators. I'm confident we can find the right solution for you. Generators are not cost prohibitive for small businesses. The opportunity cost of not having power for a few days of any business can be catastrophic. When that's considered, a generator is the perfect solution to keep you running and making money.